Alrighty, once you have actually got all of your settings set exactly the way you would like, the next step is simply just to go in and actually perform an inspection. This, like I said, property is set at the Warrensburg property, so bear with how the system is. Obviously, each property's numbering system or organization is a little bit different, which is fine. Once you actually log into your property, you're going to notice here really quick that everything is kind of out of order. Our properties here run from B1 all the way up to F24. So they're kind of scattered all over the place. So with that, what we had Happy Inspector do was install a sorting feature, which will work for all of your properties as well. To do that, all you have to do is simply come up to the Sort By menu, go ahead and click on that, and it's going to pull up this little feature right here. When it's under the city application, they're all out of order. To sort them in order, click the address, and then it's going to put it in order for you. This left column over here specifically deals with just your unit numbers. So you're going to have all of your unit numbers as well as the unit layouts. The reason we put the layouts on there was for the fact that sometimes you might have new community ambassadors that aren't exactly sure and can't tell by specifically looking at a unit number what type of layout it is. So whether it be a 2x2, 3x3, 4x2, whatever it may be, they can't look at it simply by telling. Obviously, the more experienced staff members will be able to, but we had to prepare for all types of people using the application. So that's why we put that there, which will allow them to decide which template, master template to use for the inspection. This right-hand column over here deals specifically with just your property name. I want you to also notice up here on this property currently we have the master template, which is what you would choose from to perform an inspection. So if you were going to do an inspection on B2 common area, you would come up and you would use the 2x1 master template. B1 common, I would use the 4x2 master template. If you did not send in a inspection template for Happy Inspector to generate, you will not have these templates generated already on your iPad. You're going to have to actually go in and create them yourself. I mean, I would say it'd probably spend about a half hour, maybe an hour creating them all the way you would like. I'm going to go ahead and click on 2x1 so you can see what I mean by this. 2x1 master template. It's going to show here 2x1's the name, master template, and then a periodic inspection. I'm going to click on that really quick. And because what we do is we have the 2x1 periodic master template set up exactly how we want. So when I go into the 2-bedroom 1-bath and I copy this layout, it has all criteria under each area of the house exactly how we want it set up and how we want our inspectors to go about viewing it. We start with the entry, the kitchen, then down to the laundry room closet area. We have it set up so it makes sense, and I recommend you do it that way so you don't have your inspectors going from the kitchen back to the bedrooms all over the apartment. It looks unorganized, and it just takes way too much time. So definitely organize it how you want it. I want you to notice here down at the bottom you have add area, edit areas, and reorder. So once you come in, start an inspection template, you can add an area if you like. Simply click the add area button, and it's going to put it down here at the bottom of it. You can title it whatever you would like, and then click the done button, or you could actually delete an area too if you would like. Very, very simple. The other buttons I want you to notice down here at the bottom are edit area and reorder. If you want to edit one of these areas, you can like delete certain things from it, which is fine. And the other button down at the bottom is reordering. So if you want to take the kitchen and put it down at the bottom of the inspection, you can do that as well. You could put the laundry room, you can put them wherever you would like. Really simple, easy to do. Give me 1 second, let this catch up really quick. Alrighty. These are the buttons I was talking about. So you got the edit and reorder. So if you click either one of those, you would be able to move the bathroom up to the top if you wanted, and that's exactly what I was talking about. Once you get the inspection template set up exactly how you would like, all you have to do is click the back arrow. Don't delete the inspection. There's no other buttons. You simply click the back arrow, and it's going to save it as a periodic inspection right here, which will allow you to copy this template from here on out. So go ahead and go to the back, and once you do that, it should show up underneath it. So if you already have these and would like to edit them, all you have to do is click on it, go in and do exactly what I just showed you. You can edit the areas exactly how you want it, and then click the back arrow up at the top back to this screen right here. Now, for those properties that do not have any templates set up, you are going to have to go in, and what these are each properties. So you're going to have to go in and add a property, and you will just call it a master template. So it's going to click on that. It's going to pull up this screen right here. In address line 1, you would type whatever template you're going to have it to be. So I would put 2x1 master, 4x2 master, 3x3 master. Put the unit type in address line 2, and you have to enter the city, state, and zip code. You have to enter all of those, otherwise it will not allow you to create the property. Once you're done with that, you come down and click the done button, and that property is automatically going to be created. Well, since I did not enter any information, I'm going to click the cancel button. Once you click the done button, it's going to pop back up to your unit list screen, and that template now should be listed on your unit list. So I created this today just for demonstration purposes. It's called 3x3 master. I created that. Once you have it created, you simply need to come in here, do the same thing we would have done for 2x1 or 4x2, click on it, and what's going to happen is there's going to be no inspections listed here at all. So I'm going to delete this and show you how to do this. So it's going to look exactly like this. You created the 3x3 master template. This is what you created because you want to be able to copy this so you don't have to go in each time you want to do an inspection and set the template up and put certain categories in there. It's very time consuming. So that's why we recommend having these templates set up to copy from every single time you do an inspection. I'm telling you, it saves times. We've done it here at the Warrensburg property. So now what you need to do to create a template to copy from, go to add new inspection. This screen's going to pop up, and it's going to ask you which to choose from. Just use the periodic inspection for this purpose. Go and do periodic, and it's going to ask you to create a new layout or copy existing. Well, most likely if you're doing this, you don't have any layouts at all, so you're going to want to create a new layout. I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and this screen is going to pop up right here. It's going to pop up with all the different areas in the house. You can, before you click the done button, if you don't, obviously not going to have a shed, you can delete that. External, you can delete that. The pool, get it all set up with each area in the house that you would like. These buttons right here, you can actually reorder. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So if I want to move the pool to the top, all I got to do is move it up to there, click the done area, or sorry, deselect it, and it will put it all the way up the top exactly where I would like it to be. Really simple. Once you get them all set up, the next step from there is to click the done button, and then it's going to pull up that inspection. Once the inspection comes up, this is the screen. You just edit the criteria, you reorder, you do exactly how you want it. Then once you're done with that, click the back arrow all the way out, and now you will be able to copy this template for every 3x3 or whatever your unit layout is that you're making for each inspection that you'll be doing. Really cool, really simple, easy to do. Sorry about that, if you're freaking out for a second. So like I said, this is what you're going to do. It's going to pop up here. You're going to, if you don't want walls, you want to delete them, take them out. Or you could rename it, reorder. This is what I was talking about. Simply use these three buttons. Once you're done with that, click the back arrow all the way back to the unit list. And now you're going to be able to use the 3x3 master template for any inspection that you're doing. That's how you set up a master template. If you guys have any problems with that or any questions, call me and let me know. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you actually how to perform an inspection. Really cool, really simple, as well as how to generate the report. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that, and that will be the last thing that I think you will need actually before you need to you'll be able to go out there and perform and